We predicted that it would take approximately 30 minutes in the sun for the UV detecting beads to change color. For our experiment, we used ultraviolet light detecting beads of assorted colors, a piece of cardboard that was approximately 1 foot by 1 foot, double-sided clear tape, and scissors. So for the actual experiment, we followed a procedure that had about 4 steps. So first we figured out what design we wanted to make out of the UV beads, and we decided to make a heart, as you will see later in the video. And we placed the UV beads on the piece of cardboard using double-sided sticky tape. And then we placed the piece of cardboard in sunlight, and it doesn't have to be in direct sunlight, and videotaped as the UV detecting beads changed color. And then we waited about 3 minutes before stopping our experiment, and then we watched the video again and figured out if our results aligned with our hypothesis. For our English component, we kept a journal that spanned from September 12th, 2016 to December 1st, 2016. As we reached various milestones in our project, or our progress was interrupted by something, we wrote a journal entry and elaborated on the success or issue. We believe the journal was the perfect English component for us to complete because it allowed both of us to express our thoughts and feelings about the progress of our project. Our social studies component focused on how this experiment and its connections have impacted and influenced society. The research done by scientists on ultraviolet radiation has led to an increased number of treatments for skin cancer. Knowledge on this subject lowers the risks of a person getting this type of cancer, and it also prevents weighing financial costs to treat the illness. These are what the UV beads look like in about the first 10 seconds of the experiment. As you can see, the ultraviolet light is already causing them to change color. This is what the UV beads looked like after about a minute of exposure to ultraviolet light. As you can see, the color change caused by the UV light is becoming more and more noticeable. After about 3 minutes, we decided to end the experiment because clearly the UV detecting beads had changed color almost completely, showing that even without direct sun exposure, the beads still detect ultraviolet light. Overall, our hypothesis was incorrect because it did not take 30 minutes for the UV detecting beads to change color. It only took, well, less than 3. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed the video.